Have you ever wondered why some stories captivate us while others don't? What makes certain narratives unforgettable? The secret lies in the narrative structure, the invisible framework that gives shape and meaning to stories. Hi everyone, I'm Andrea, the founder of Bibisco, the novel writing software downloaded by more than 200,000 writers around the world, helping them write their stories. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental elements of narrative structure and how they can help you craft engaging stories that truly resonate with your audience. So, what exactly is narrative structure? In simple terms, it's the organizational framework of a story. It's how events unfold, how characters develop, and how themes are explored. A strong narrative structure guides the audience from the beginning to the end, making the story feel cohesive and satisfying. But why is narrative structure so important? It helps create clarity, keeps the audience engaged, and ensures that each event serves a purpose within the story. A well-structured narrative builds suspense and maintains interest, making the reader eager to know what happens next. Now, let's take a look at three common types of narrative structure writers use and how they impact storytelling. But first, if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us bring more content like this to you. The first narrative structure is the linear structure. This follows a straightforward chronological order, making it easy to follow, and it's ideal for traditional storytelling. Each event leads logically to the next, ensuring a clear progression of events with a clear cause and effect relationship. This structure is often used to emphasize character growth and plot development in a coherent and logical way. Many classic novels and films use this structure because of its clarity and simplicity, offering audiences a clear and direct narrative path. Additionally, the linear structure helps build suspense gradually, allowing for a natural escalation of events and a satisfying resolution. If you are writing a story that requires a clear timeline, or if you want your audience to experience events as they happen, the linear structure is an excellent choice. Next, we have the circular structure. This type of narrative starts and ends at the same point, emphasizing themes of cycles, reflection, and personal growth. It's commonly used in stories that explore themes of destiny, transformation, or recurring events. Circular narratives often revisit the beginning scene or situation, allowing characters and readers to reflect on the journey and how events have shaped the outcome. This structure can create a sense of inevitability or completeness, reinforcing ideas such as the connection between events and the lessons learned throughout the story. Some well-known examples of circular narratives include stories of self-discovery, redemption arcs, or tales that emphasize the passage of time and how it affects characters and their decisions. Finally, there's the nonlinear structure. This breaks away from a chronological sequence, presenting events out of order, create intrigue and depth. Nonlinear narratives are particularly effective in exploring complex themes, unveiling information strategically, and maintaining suspense throughout the story. Techniques like flashbacks, foreshadowing, and multiple timelines are often used to offer different perspectives or gradually reveal key plot points. This approach allows writers to weave multiple storylines, highlight character development in a fragmented manner, and explore alternative scenarios. Nonlinear storytelling challenges the audience to piece together the story, creating an engaging and interactive experience that encourages deeper reflection on the themes and characters. Writers often use this structure in genres such as mystery, psychological drama, and experimental fiction to add layers of complexity and to enhance the emotional impact of the story. Choosing the right narrative structure depends on several factors. Consider your story's theme, the complexity of your characters, and the experience you want your audience to have. A linear structure works well for clear character progression, while circular narratives emphasize transformation. Non-linear structures, on the other hand, allow for deeper thematic exploration and suspense. Experimentation is key. Trying different structures can help you discover what best serves your story. Don't be afraid to mix elements from different structures structures to find the perfect fit. If you need help structuring your story, Bibisco has got you covered. Our outlining tools allow you to plan plot points, organize story arcs, and experiment with different narrative structures to bring your vision to life. The timeline feature is particularly useful for visualizing the sequence of events, ensuring consistency, and keeping track of complex storylines, making it easier than ever to structure your narrative effectively. Thanks for watching. Remember, narrative structure is the foundation of every great story. Experiment, explore, and find the structure that works best for your unique voice. Also, let me know in the comments which narrative structure you prefer and you are currently using. Happy writing!